do, more importantly for our customers, we are trying to introduce AI in every product that we have. We are building the digital infrastructure of the nations of Croatia, Europe, the whole world, and having this new digital infrastructure of the world powered by AI is very important. We are doing the digital transformation projects in Croatia, and whenever we put our new applications and new project, we try to implement AI so that our customers see the AI, and I think that's very important. And for us, probably the most important change that AI is doing is in software development. We are a company of around 3,000 engineers, 2,000 of them every single day are doing the software development, and the software development is rapidly changing these days. It's much more different than a year ago.
Banking is boring, in a way, in many
as it should be.
As it should be, and we are heavily regulated. So when we read on the news, the flying drones with AI that you don't control, we cannot do this, thanks God. So we are doing it, we are applying it, but as the colleague said, on our core processes, we are studying them, we have pilot. In Zagrebačka and in the group, we roll out, for example, for personal productivity, Copilot for now to everybody. As probably a lot of people knows, UniCredit strike a deal for 10 years with Google. So we are in the process of rolling out Gemini for a subset of employees. So this is where we are. As you said, banking was the first to use the mainframe. So the internet banking was one of the first internet application, and we will use AI in the same way. Obviously, the speed of the technology is way faster. How it's changing is way faster, and honestly, it's complicated how to deal with all the versioning, because every new version is way more capable than before.
From the perspective of docking, so we are building the robotic systems for the last 35 years, and the next frontier for robotics will be AI-enabled type of the technologies, which will enrich this technology in order to enhance the capability of the operators, in order to increase the efficiency, increase the safety, and increase the operational tempo. This is going to be the most important thing. The disruption will happen probably in the dull, dirty, and dangerous type of the environment, where there is an intensive need for the labor, where there is a need for the heavy and complex logistics, and where there is a need for the let's say, dangerous type of the environment where there is a lot of lethality, I would say. So the biggest contribution from docking side to the Republic of Croatia, and I'm really proud of that, is that 53% of the Croatian land has been cleared with our own machines, systems for demining. So we are happy and proud that we saved countless lives and that we cleared more than 53% of the land. This is like a huge, huge, huge reference point.